Hello viewers, we'll be going over TQQ and SQQ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability models. So let's start off with the technical analysis for TQQ. On Friday, it closed above 7% on the 1-hour chart. We have now reached to positive MACD and we are nearing overbought levels on the RSI. And we slightly breach above the 200 moving average, this green line, so it may act as our temporary support level in the meantime. As for the 4-hour chart, we are starting to approach to positive territory on the MACD, and we're off of oversold conditions on the RSI. If we expand out once more onto the daily chart, what we have here is we did bounce right off the 100-day moving average, this orange line, that was acting as our support levels as indicated back in September 21st as well as September 24th. And we have now reached to negative MACD, and as for the RSI, we have not quite touched oversold conditions. So for the trade idea of the week, for TQQ, my position size is going to be less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry will be at $114.77, which is this range right here. And my sell target will be $128.23. And that coincides with the 50-day moving average as well as the 18-day moving average. That will be my sell target. As for my stop loss, that will be at $109.36. And for the day-by-day probability model, as we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 38% chance for it to fall between 0, or I should say, to climb between 0 to 8%. 0 to 11%. And to the downside, it has a 50% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 11%. And for the extreme case to the downside, a 13% chance to fall between negative 11% to negative 23%. So as for SQQ, on Friday, it closed down 7% on the 1-hour chart. We are at negative MACD and nearing oversold conditions on the RSI. As for the 4-hour chart, we are resting right along the 200 moving average, this green line, which may act as our temporary support, and we have not quite reached to negative MACD territory. If we expand out to the daily chart, what we have here is we have now just approached to positive MACD, and we have not quite hit the 18 moving average, which may act as our temporary support if we do continue down lower. For the trade idea of the week for SQQ, my position size is going to be less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry will be at $24.02, which is this range right here, and that coincides with past support levels that dated back to September 15th. As for my sell target, that will be at $26.03, and that is this range right there, and my stop loss will be at $23.64, and that is that range right there. And the day-by-day probability model for SQQ, as we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 20% chance for it to climb between 0 to 6%, and to the downside, we have a 65% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 6%. For the extreme case to the downside, we have a 15% chance to fall between negative 6% to negative 12%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.